GPT and other large language models can support parts of the accounts payable process, but they cannot replace a full enterprise AP automation platform on their own. GPT can help summarize information, draft responses, answer questions, classify text, and support teams with certain repetitive tasks. These capabilities can be useful in accounts payable, especially when teams need faster access to information or help managing routine communication. Enterprise AP automation involves more than generating answers or interpreting text. It requires invoice capture, data validation, purchase order matching, approval routing, exception handling, supplier communication, payment workflows, and ERP integration. In finance, accuracy, auditability, and control matter. AP teams need systems that can work with trusted financial data, follow approval rules, maintain audit trails, and support compliance requirements. A general-purpose AI model does not provide that full operational structure by itself. Grounded AI connects automation to real finance workflows, validated data, business rules, and governed systems. For example, Medius AI is informed by years of invoice processing experience and billions of human-validated invoice data points, helping it learn from real finance workflows rather than generic examples alone. This helps AI support AP decisions in a way that is more reliable, traceable, and useful for enterprise finance teams. Modern AP automation platforms use AI alongside workflow automation, ERP connectivity, governance controls, and production scale invoice processing. This allows finance teams to reduce manual work, improve visibility, manage exceptions, and scale AP operations more effectively. GPT can be a useful tool inside the AP process, but it is not a replacement for the systems that manage enterprise finance workflows. The real opportunity is combining AI with connected data, governed processes, and automation built for accounts payable at scale.